Welcome! If you're looking to turn off dark mode on the Facebook app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you prefer the classic bright look or just want to change, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable dark mode quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From the menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, scroll down the settings menu until you find the option labeled Dark Mode. Click on it to open the dark mode settings. Here, you'll see a few choices: on, off, and maybe even use system settings depending on your device. To disable dark mode, simply select off. As soon as you do, the Facebook app will switch back to the standard light mode, giving you the familiar bright look. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on the Facebook app for PC. The change takes effect immediately, so you can continue browsing with the new appearance right away. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode in the future, just follow these same steps and select on instead. Facebook makes it easy to customize your viewing experience, so you can choose the look that works best for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. See you next time.